Is Dore Rose really the ultimate upgrade to your beauty sleep routine, or just another well-marketed online store playing on luxury aesthetics and skincare buzzwords? DoreRose.com presents itself as a high-end brand selling mulberry silk pillowcases, sleep masks, and pajamas infused with silver ions, claiming to offer not just comfort but also improved skin health, reduced wrinkles, and better overall sleep quality. The promise sounds incredibly appealing, especially to those invested in wellness and skincare. But we took a closer look to see whether it truly lives up to the hype. On the surface, the brand appears quite trustworthy. Its domain has been active since 2021, indicating some longevity in an industry full of overnight scams. It's been featured in reputable publications like Vogue and Harper's Bazaar, and it maintains an active presence on social media, which helps build a public-facing identity that many scam stores lack. The brand also sells through Amazon, which offers an extra layer of buyer protection and suggests a certain level of operational legitimacy. Customer reviews seem to support the brand's claims, with over 5,400 reviews on Trustpilot and an impressive 4.4-star average rating. However, not everything holds up under closer inspection. When we ran reverse image searches on some of the expert dermatologists featured on the site, we discovered that several images appear to be reused stock photos, a red flag when a brand claims professional endorsements. There are also multiple customer complaints about shipping delays and concerns about dropshipping practices, where products arrive in generic packaging and appear to be fulfilled by third parties. These inconsistencies create a sense of doubt. While Dore Rose might not be a complete scam, it may not be as premium or medically backed as it wants you to believe. This review isn't about taking sides, it's about laying out all the facts so you can make an informed decision. If you're considering treating yourself to their silk products, this video will help you decide if Dore Rose is worth your money, or if you're better off looking elsewhere.